Hello everyone. So today I will explain one project. So with the help of that project, we are going to see the difference between dup and du in Linux architecture. So first I will explain the 4 steps, and after that I will showcase by doing practical work. So for this, first we need to create one big sparse file. So for that I am using Fallocate command. So first I will create one folder, so that is mkdir lab1. I think lab1 is already exist, so I will go into lab1. So after that I will create one sparse file by using a pal allocator command, Fallocate, so -l, and I need a file with a size of 500 MB. So 500 MB. So for that, so for this file, I want to give name as a big log uh, txt. Yeah. So this file is created. So I will see that file with the help of ls minus lh. So yeah, 500 MB, and after that I will open this file in background by using tail command. So for that I need to write tail -f and that file name, and after that I need to write and. So and is a means, so this process or this file will open in the background. Yeah. So after that I will delete this file, so big log txt, and then I will see I will use dup -h. So here, so the Linux architecture created that file inside this dev root file system. So out of 6.8 GB storage, 2.5 GB storage is already used. So in that 500 MB file is there inside dev.root, but I deleted that file, but still it exists. So the reason is that tail command is using that file in background, so that's why uh, it's showing that file is exist in disk. So after that I will use du -h. So here du command will show 4 KB, so it is a metadata of that folder. So now what I will do, with the help of Lsof command, I will find the processes. Those are deleted, but they are using still a disk in the background. So for that I will write like a sudo lsof pipe, and after that I will write grep deleted here. So here tail command is using that file in the background. So here 1058 is a PID, that PID for that tail process. So now I want to kill this process forcefully to free up the space in the disk. So now I will kill this process ID with help of kill -9, and the process ID is 1058. Yeah. So now I kill, and after that I will check dup. So as of now in first time I used dup .h. So on that time dev.root file system, the file size is 6.8 GB. In out of that the kernel used 2.5 GB. So after this needs to be 2.0. Suppose it is 2.0, so then that file is removed from the disk, otherwise no. So now I will write dup -h. Yeah, see 2.0 G. So that means that file is deleted from the disk. So this is all about the difference between dup and du command in Linux architecture. So the basically main difference between dup and du is that dup will check in the disk and du will check only file name. Suppose if we delete that file and after that we use du, so du will show 0. But suppose if that process is running on a background, so on that dup will showcase the real disk. So this is the main difference between dup and du in Linux. Thank you.